Okay, finally got this thing running, and the only way I could do it was to put an electric fuel pump here that's 24 volts, pushing the fuel from this little tank right here, which is ethanol-free gasoline, because that's what these things were designed to use. I've got one of these jump start things here supplying 12 volts. This little motorcycle battery another 12 in series will make 24. So we're going to hook this up and get fuel up to that thing. Hopefully it'll start. Still a little hard starting. Let me put the camera down for a second. Just had to work the throttle. I got some more bugs to work out in here, but right now, motor is running. Got to do a compression test. I think I got a weak cylinder, but the key to this whole thing to get it running was to put new spark plugs in it. And I got that from Saturn Surplus. Plus, they have air cleaners for these too in stock. So if it wasn't for them, this thing would not be running right now. Okay, from West Melbourne, we're out for now.